So my check engine light been on for a while now, and I'm not really too much concerned about it. I know what it is, and in life, one thing we have to realize: our check engine light is always on, meaning that we're living a life that we're going to expire soon. You know what I mean? We're here, but we're not meant to be here forever. But there's certain other things in our life that we have to focus on, like the speed, and make sure certain things are correct, and make sure you're fed and got gas and you can move around. See, there's certain things that you have to check on, make sure that your heat is right. But you might have a small issue like a check engine light. That's just a reminder that this is not yours. These things are going to wear out. You are not meant to be here forever. And that's just a part of life. And once you understand that and you understand the concept of it, you'll get a whole lot further. Hold on.